Good day everyone, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I want to show you how to export feature class to a Geodatabase feature class. This is very important because in ArcGIS Pro, there are some operations that cannot be run successfully on ordinary feature class. It must be a Geodatabase feature class. For example, I have this feature which is an ordinary feature class. I will try to run a particular operation on it. For example, if I try to add global ID on this feature, it will not work because it is just an ordinary feature class. Such operations works on Geodatabase feature class. Let me demonstrate it and show you the error, and then I will show you how to export this feature class to Geodatabase feature class. So to do that, let me come to Analysis and click on Tools. So let me search for Global ID. Yes, this is Global ID. If I click on it and try to input this data set inside this Global ID tool as my input data set, let's see if it will work. So I'll click on the drop down and select this feature class. You can see an error. If I put my console here, you can see the error. The error is this: error 000187 only supported Geodatabase table or feature class. So which means this particular operation I want to run is only supported by Geodatabase table or Geodatabase feature class. So there are some operations like that only Geodatabase table or Geodatabase feature class can work. So let me show you how to export feature class into Geodatabase feature class in ArcGIS Pro. So let me close the Geoprocessing tool. Now to do that, what you need to do is to come to View and open your catalog. So when catalog open, navigate to your folder connections. Click to expand it. Then look for that very layer. Then I will scroll down. Here is the layer, this Nigerian state shapefile. Now, if you want to export it from here, from the table of content, it will not work. So you have to go to the catalog, and then once you locate the feature class, right click, come to feature class to Geodatabase. Here is it. So when I click on it, it will take me to my Geodatabase. So in the Geodatabase, of course, you can give it a different name here, or you can leave the name at default. Then here you can see the output Geodatabase, and here is the name. You can edit the name if you want. Then click on Run. If I click on Run, it's converting it to Geodatabase feature class. Yes, feature class to Geodatabase is completed. It is done. Now let me close this page. Then go back to your Geodatabase. My Geodatabase is this. I'll click to expand it, and here is my Geodatabase feature class I just converted. So what I can do, let me remove this one first so that it will not confuse. I'll click and remove. So now let me add the Geodatabase feature class I just converted. Just drag and drop, and here is it. Now to test it whether it's work or not, so let me close this, come to Analysis again and click on Tools. Now our global ID, the operation we run the other time, here is it. Click to open it. Now let's try to input this layer we have converted to Geodatabase feature class. Click on the drop down and select it. You can see that it accepted it without showing the error. So in essence, this is how to export or convert your ordinary feature class to Geodatabase feature class in ArcGIS Pro. Thank you for watching.